Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can automatically update your WordPress website plugins and themes. Now what this means is you don't have to manually update your plugins. In other words, they are set to automatically update with the release of new version. Now there are basically two ways I do this. First is during the installation of WordPress from the cPanel, and the second one is right on the website dashboard. Now I usually do the two of them because then it helps me to be sure that things are set up properly. So quickly we go to cPanel, and usually if you want to install WordPress, you can click on the software clause, or you can just search for WordPress. So when I click on the WordPress, so basically all my installations are here. So just in case you missed it during installation, you can actually come back to set it up. So if I scroll down, I will find all my installations. Now I'll be using this website here for the purpose of this video. So when I click on it, when I click on the WordPress here to manage the installation, so it opens the installation, and of course it will load your website. Now it's showing it because this website uses Cloudflare for the CDN. So you can see that the auto upgrade WordPress core is set to upgrade to latest version available, both major and minor. Now I've done this before, but if I didn't, then what I would have done is to click here and then I will select this. Now this is the default. Do not upgrade. Is the auto upgrade is the default. And then once I've done that, I want to also click on auto upgrade or WordPress plugin. I want to click on enabled, and then of course that is just it. Now when you do this, you'll be getting notification, and some of them are annoying. So now to disable the notification so you don't get annoying emails coming in each time there's an update, so what you need to do is to come over to the email settings here, and when you click on this envelope icon, it brings you here. Now you want to specify an email address, but for this tutorial let me just select this. Now this is what you want to disable: update notification email. So I want to uncheck this, and then once you've done that, I think this is the only thing you want to uncheck. Once I've done that, I want to now click edit email settings, and this new setting should be saved. Now the second way you can do this is to go here. Now for this one, you can only do this for plugins. I'm not sure you can do that for the themes, but you can do that for the plugins. I do both, like I said. Is to come over to your WordPress dashboard, your WordPress website dashboard, and then you want to click on the plugins, and then you want to first of all, so everything here is the plugin, so whether active or non-active. All I want to do is to select all of them. Now I want to go to bulk action, and I want to enable auto update. So I want to apply. So you can see now that the enable auto update is enabled now. So the only thing I can do is to disable. Now if I want to disable one of them, which I'm not sure why, so I don't need to now select all of them again. I just come over here and click on disable, and if I want to enable just one, I just come over and then I do the same. So there you go guys, that is how you can enable automatic update for your WordPress plugins and as well as your theme. Now let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I do hope to see you again. Cheers.